The FRL IDC WP300W UVC SPF XB from Larson Electronics is a submersible UVC induction lamp that serves as a shatterproof disinfection solution in industrial facilities and high-temperature environments. This 300-watt unit features a UVC induction lamp with a 360-degree beam angle configuration. Powered by an electromagnet to reduce the risk of gas leaks associated with fluorescent lights, this food-safe luminary comes with a remote ballast that operates on 120 to 240 volts AC at 50 to 60 Hertz. This light is a powerful induction sanitation lamp that is suitable for germicidal illumination in extreme environments. This 300-watt lamp is fully submersible and provides UVC output within the 200 nanometer to 280 nanometer range. During use, the waterproof unit emits UV light with a 360-degree beam angle and a flood beam configuration. This food-safe lamp has a 100,000-hour useful lifespan, making the unit a long-lasting solution in work sites. A durable coating makes the lamp shatter-resistant and provides protection from impacts. This light is equipped with surface mounting brackets at the back of the lamp. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today! At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.